it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I will be unboxing and reviewing my Beauteque beauty box and, sorry, couldn't grab it, my Mask Maven subscription service. If you're new to my channel, Beauteque has two Korean subscriptions. They have the beauty box, which is 6 full-size beauty products, skincare, makeup every month for, I believe, $24 and $22 if you prepay for the year. And they have the Mask Maven, which is 9 masks for $15 a month or $13 if you prepay for the year. This is sent to me for review, but I always do give my complete honest opinions. Yeah, I don't hold back. So I first off want to say, if you are interested in these, I do have a code. It is Rachel25 for 25% off your first month. It is not affiliated. It is a tracking code just to let them know you came from me, so I do not make a commission if that makes you uncomfortable. And if you want to purchase it and not save money, that's cool too. Let's get started with the beauty box, my favorite and most exciting part of this video. I love all of the Korean products I get every month. It's such an exciting thing for me. And the theme of this month, it was October by the way, is Lights Out, and it has a little witchy girl. And they say, the lights are out and it's time to go out. This month's curation of products is all about both getting ready for a Halloween night out as well as a post-party pampering. It's important to look great and have the time of your life, but we also want to make sure that you get the much needed self-care afterwards. And they always include a little booklet with information on the products. I love that. The first product is the Beauteque Urban City Charcoal Clay Beer Wash-Off Mask. It retails for $22 and it features charcoal powder which cleanses your face and brings vitality to your skin, and it carbonates and creates micro bubbles which remove impurities from your pores and make your skin moisturize and smooth. First of all, the packaging on this is just so cute. It is like a mini pop can or mini beer can, whatever you want to say, is so cute. And it is just like any like charcoal, it's sealed on there real good, charcoal bubble mask. So it's just a jarred bubble mask, and I really like it. I really like it a lot. I don't think it's too cleansing that I feel like stripped, but it's definitely really cleansing, and I think I might repurchase this again for $22. Like, I really like this. The next item is the Riri Bubble Lip Mask. It retails for $12 and has vitamin C and lemon extracts, which will help brighten, moisturize, and soften your lips and reduce wrinkles and dead skin cells, as well as leaving your lips smooth and supple. This is a really interesting product. It is in a pump and you just pump it out and spread it on your lips and it bubbles up after a couple of minutes, and then you scrub and wipe it off. Never used a lip mask like it, but it's really cool. Like, it works and it was a fun process. So I'm gonna keep using this and let you know, but right now I think this is a win, and I think I would get this again. Even for $12, I think I would get this again. Next, we have the Beauteque Urban City Kiss Intention Lipstick. It retails for $10. You had the option of 2 shades, number 7 or number 9. I received number 7. And the texture of the lipstick is very smooth and soft and will provide moisture while keeping color on all day. It's the perfect lip product for a beautiful and effortless look. So this is the color I got. It is the more orangey red. They have in the picture like a deeper red and a more orangey red. I like a good orangey red. It's a really like pigmented, creamy formula. It's really comfortable, really easy to apply. I think it's definitely worth $10. I don't know if I would purchase this again because I think I have one or two lipsticks already like this, but I do enjoy it. Next we have the Riri All Kill Black Peeling Pad. It retails for $4 and it is a double-sided peeling pad that removes skin cells completely and provides intensive care for your chin. Your chin? I mean your skin. Hello. Whoops. It's formulated with charcoal and black food extracts, including black bean, sesame, and black rice, which tighten your pores and moisturize your skin. This I did not try. I can't find it right now, and it's really late at night that I'm filming this, and I've worked all day and had a long day, so I can't find it right now. But I know there's a no-no ingredient in here. Like, one of my ingredients I'm sensitive to is in here. There it is. Soy. Soy is the worst for me. Oh my god, it's the worst. So I'm not trying this. I'm saving this for Rachmas for you guys to test out, and you can let me know whether it's worth $4. Next we have the Revaken eyeshadow number B180. It retails for $8, and they say this shadow is a real pink me up. It is pigmented and beautiful and can be applied all over your lid or as a highlight for the inner corner of your eyes. Don't get me wrong, they're not lying. This is a pretty pigmented shadow. Hello. It is a matte with shimmer in it. I think the shimmer is something to help it blend better. It doesn't show up very much at all. And like I said, it's pigmented. But would I buy a big single pink eyeshadow for $8? No. I'm not a big fan of pink. I'm not a big fan of singles in their own individual packaging. I just probably wouldn't. But if this is the type of product you're looking for, it's good. I would recommend it. It's just not what I'm looking for, you know? It's really good though. The last product is the Face Jewels. It's just Face Jewels. I'm surprised by that. It retails for $6, and you can enhance your makeup look with these fun face gems. They're easy to use and perfect for a costume party or music festival, and they are reusable. These, again, I have not used, but I will use them. I just haven't come up with a look for them yet. They are so beautiful. I don't know if you can see them with the lights, but look at those. Oh my god. I need to come up with a look for them, but they are so beautiful. I would buy these for $6 for sure. Just look at that. Look at that. So overall, was the month of October worth it? I would say yes, because this $22 mask, this $12 lip mask, this $6 jewels, all are things I would get again. And I do think that the eyeshadow and the lipstick are good quality. I would recommend those. This $4 item is the only thing I would skip on. So I would say if I had paid for the box this month, I would have got my value out of it, and it's definitely a win. Let's move on to the Mask Maven. I don't know why I'm so dancy. Let's get it. So these are all 9 masks for the month of October, and the theme again was the lights out, the partying and pampering afterwards. I did pass on testing most of these masks this month. 3 of them I have gotten in previous Mask Mavens, and I already have reviews up on my channel of these masks, so I just felt it, is the word superfluous? I don't know. I'm trying to sound smart. Superfluous to review them again. So if you would like to see reviews on these 3 masks, go check out my unboxings playlist. They're in that playlist for your viewing pleasure. I'm being so dorky tonight. What's up with that? And then these other masks that I'm not testing all have no ingredients. We have the Ultra Nourishing Watermelon Pads, the Black Food Gel Lip Zone Mask, the Snail Essence Mask, and the SOS Clinic Mask. These are all going into Rachmas. So like I said in my face spray video, which goes up before this, anything I'm not testing is going into my Rachmas giveaway, which is I'm doing a giveaway every week until Christmas, and I'm having a pretty big skincare giveaway for one of those giveaways, including these masks, so keep an eye out for that. So I only tested 2 masks out of the 9, and let's see what I thought. So the first mask is the No HJ Skin Traveler Wash Off Bubble Mask. It is formulated with kaolin, which will cleanse and exfoliate dead skin cells, known for its ability to detoxify and helps with blackheads and prevent further pore clogging. This was similar to the bubble mask in the beer can, but it was much more stripping. My face just felt like, you know, that awful feeling when you're just so tight after? It was awful. I didn't like this at all. Next is the JM Solution 3-Step Marine Luminous Pearl Deep Moisture Mask. It includes an essence, sheet mask, and an eye cream featuring pearl extract, which brightens dark spots, and that's the only thing. It just features pearl extract. I didn't really notice that this mask did much for me. It really took a long time for any of the steps to absorb into my skin, and it left my face really sticky. So I do not recommend this mask. I do not like it. I haven't really had much luck with JM Solution, unfortunately, even though they seem like so exciting and so good. Like, I feel like I'm always disappointed by them, which is sad. Was the month of October for the Mask Maven worth it now that we've reviewed the 2 masks? Well, the 2 masks I tested were a no-go for me, but the 3 that I've tried before, if I remember correctly, I liked all 3 of them, so 3 versus 2 so far, it's doing good. And plus, you know, 4 for you guys. I feel like it's a win, but what do you guys think? Leave your thoughts on both the Beauty Box and the Mask Maven in the comments down below. I'd love to hear what you think. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!